Imagine if you took your salary in Bitcoin instead of dollars. In 2015, the average salary for a teacher in the US was around $45,000. If you took your salary in Bitcoin, today that 125 BTC would be worth over $3 million. In 2017, a software engineer in the US was making $100,000. Today, those 40 BTC are worth $1,200,000. In 2018, the average salary for a bartender in the US was $25,000. Fast forward to today, and those 4 BTC would be worth $120,000. Even well-known figures like NFL star Odell Beckham Jr. and Miami Mayor Francis Suarez took part of their salaries in Bitcoin. Will you ask to take your salary in Bitcoin? Bitcoin, changing the game for wealth. Want to learn more about Bitcoin and crypto? Get started today with our ebook, Step by Step to Crypto. Simple guide to getting started with Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Follow at AG1EDU for crypto education, mindset tips, and wealth building strategies.